Vegetarian and vegan lifestyles have become popular around the world in recent years. However, many people are misguided and cannot differentiate between vegan and vegetarian. So what is the difference between vegetarian and vegan? According to the Vegetarian Society, vegetarians are people who do not eat products from the slaughter of animals. Vegetarians avoid some foods such as meat, poultry, fish, insects, even types of animal protein and fat. However, many vegetarians consume byproducts that do not involve slaughtering animals, namely eggs, dairy, and honey. Vegetarians typically eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and meat substitutes derived from these foods. Vegetarians are generally less restrictive than vegans, so there are several known variations on the vegetarian diet. 1. Lacto-Ovo Vegetarians are people who follow this diet, avoiding all types of meat and fish but consuming dairy products and eggs. 2. Lacto-Vegetarians are people who follow this diet, do not eat meat, fish or eggs, but consume dairy products. 3. Ovo-Vegetarians, people who follow this diet do not eat meat, fish or dairy products, but eat eggs. 4. Pescetarians, those who follow this diet, avoid all meat except fish and other types of seafood. Many people refer to a pescetarian diet as semi-vegetarian or flexible. Meanwhile, according to Medical News Today, veganism is a stricter form of vegetarianism. Vegans do not consume or use any animal products or byproducts. The Vegan Society defines veganism as a way of life that seeks to eliminate, as far as possible and practicable, all forms of exploitation and cruelty to animals for food, clothing, or other purposes. Vegans strongly avoid consuming foods or beverages that contain meat, poultry, fish, shellfish, eggs, dairy products, honey, insects, rennet, gelatin, other types of animal protein, and fats of animal origin. Strict vegans extend these principles beyond their diet as well, trying whenever possible to avoid any products that directly or indirectly involve human use of animals. These products can include items such as leather, wool, silk and other products of animal origin.